Welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, April 10th, 2025, we're analyzing USDCAD, combining recent news with detailed chart analysis. We'll cover the impact of news, identify key price levels, and discuss potential trading strategies. Recent news indicates the Canadian dollar has gained strength, influenced by factors like Trump's tariff delay and lower-than-expected U.S. inflation data. This development suggests a potential short-term bearish trend for USDCAD. Let's dive into the charts. Looking at the daily chart, we can see a significant drop recently, reflecting the news events we just discussed. We need to identify key support and resistance levels to anticipate future price movements. There seems to be strong support around the 1.30 level based on candle data from around September 2024. Let's narrow down to the recent price action from January 1st, 2025 to today to get a clearer picture of short-term trends. Notice the volatility in January and February, followed by a period of consolidation and then a recent dip correlating with the tariff delay news. Now, let's switch to the 1-hour chart to examine the most recent movements in more detail. The hourly chart shows the immediate impact of the news, with a clear downward trend. We can see increased volatility around major news release times. Scalp and intraday traders are advised to focus on the 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to noon timeframe for optimal profit. I see areas around the 1.43 area showing some price history. I see a channel of sorts where candles don't seem to stay above or below 1.423 and 1.417 for too long. This might be a shorting opportunity. However, be mindful that markets can reverse course quickly. For a closer look at intraday volatility, we'll switch to the 15-minute chart, focusing on the last 24 hours. We can see the choppy nature of price action with rapid fluctuations. This chart is helpful for pinpointing entry and exit points for short-term trades. Based on today's analysis and the charts, key price levels to watch are support around 1.30 and potential resistance around 1.42. A break below 1.30 would reinforce a bearish outlook in the long term, while a break above 1.42 could signal a potential bullish reversal. In the short term, monitor price action around 1.417 and 1.423, as these appear to be key levels based on the 1-hour chart's recent candle data. Also note that a strong catalyst will move the markets out of a channel.